Hello again, this is Robert Veach here. This is my video review of a series of products from the company Miracle of Aloe brand. All over super moisturizing dry skin lotion, miracle hand repair cream, foot repair cream, and heel stick. These all get great customer ratings. These are blended with an abundance of pure aloe vera gel, about 60%, provides maximum moisturization and restorative power to soften and revitalize hands. Penetrates the epidermis to promote healthy skin and provides intense rejuvenation. Now, I've been using these products on and off for many years, and there's different sizes available, even travel sizes on Amazon. But these are really great products. I get heel cracks, and this works really well. You just unscrew this, and it's like a deodorant. You could increase it and have it go out. Smells amazing, has a natural scent to it, and it's got a combination of ingredients. The heel always cracks, and this helps me with that because it doesn't let the dryness occur. It keeps the skin a little bit under control so it's not as thick. And of course the hand repair, all these are really amazing. They have a nice simple scent to them. They're hypoallergenic and they work really well. Very simple to use. They come in a little sealed opening right there. You just remove that and then use the cream anywhere you'd like. All the ingredients are very similar on these products. There's slight variations in them, but they all work amazing. So I basically every day use the foot repair cream, and I use this on my heel in addition to that. Then my wife loves the all over, and she uses this when she does a lot of dishes. Her hands get a little dry, and she loves the hand repair cream. This she could use on her face and on her arms and skin and thighs. Works great for her. So these are just a series of products that I've used over the years, and I'd highly recommend any of their products because they work really well with natural ingredients. So I'm going to give these 4 products a full 5-star rating. I hope this video review helped you with your buying decision. Thank you for watching.